Today, I'll show you how to see BeReal without posting. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. BeReal's official help center says you can't view your friends' BeReal or the Friends of Friends feed until you've posted yours. So in the normal daily BeReal flow, there is no regular built-in option that lets you open everyone else's posts first without sharing your own post. That means if your goal is to scroll through the main BeReal feed without posting, the answer is usually no. BeReal is designed around the post first, then view rule. Once you take and share your BeReal, you can then see your friends' posts and, where available, the Friends of Friends feed. BeReal's official article calls this part of the app's fairness system. Now there is one important exception. BeReal's official help center says that you can see posts where you are tagged even if you haven't posted. This comes through the app's resharing and tagging features. So if someone includes you in a BeReal, you may still be able to see that tagged post without first posting your own daily BeReal. There's also another thing to keep in mind. Your own memories are private and can always be viewed by you. BeReal says memories are a collection of your past BeReal posts and no one else can see them. So even if you haven't posted today, you can still open your own profile and look at your past memories. But that is different from seeing today's friends' feed without posting. So the simple answer is this. If you want to see the regular BeReal feed, you normally need to post first. If you don't post, you generally won't be able to view your friends' BeReals or the Friends of Friends feed. The main exception is if you were tagged in someone else's BeReal, because BeReal says tagged posts can still be visible even if you haven't posted yet. And that's how to see BeReal without posting. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.